it went over the dirt anyways.
Dude, I was like, dude, he just fucking hit that shit. We are now loading the truck up while Jacob plays demolition derby with his Neon and his Chevy Cruze. I'm backing up the trailer because we are now gonna load up. Go.
Oh, I got a little baby stuff.
He's like, that'll rub off.
It did. It went over the dirt anyways.
Dude, I was like, dude, he just fucking hit that shit.
No, the banging I heard was from them.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, because I was like, did I hit it that fucking hard? And I looked and they're up there doing their whatever they do over there. They always got a pile of cars up there. I'll come get this motherfucker in a couple days. They work, low and high. I wasn't worried, I just like double checking. The thing I don't double check is shit always.
Then you could be like, Mike, that wire is close to this wire. And
I got it in the wrong pin. Oh fuck, you gotta take apart the computer connector up under the dash. Don't break it.
Take him with this trailer back.
No, you'd be like, bitch, fly out here and fix this motherfucker. Paid way too much for this to not work.
Come on. The last one. Ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. 2, 3.
Oh, you slut! How was that so hard? That's a little bump.
That was definitely,
If your skin worked, we could have just boom.
Maybe it worked.
That's all good.
That's such an easy fix, though.
I know. Well,
It's
it's
just
easy to fix. It's just going to be finagling that computer up there, but the holes line up perfect. You just need a 4mm Allen wrench.
I'm hoping that new PCM has nice threads, or I'm gonna have to retap it.
Well, when you have it out, put the bolts in it. Make sure they go in nice and nicely.
Which is right there on top of the car. So
That's pretty much the truth.
Instead of bringing a good computer out where I could have put it in first.
Things happen.
That's all good. Hey, it started.
Right.
It ran good too for the 2 seconds.
Oh! Just hearing it was just
it wasn't like it was missing. It was just.
It was like meant to be. I guarantee you, dude, it's my skim.
oh, word. I just got my package from Ricardo. Yeah, I just went ahead and sent it back ASAP.
That's gotta be, because you have 2 keys, you have a new computer that was programmed, so either the skims are on one or it just died.
Did I give you that?
Oh, there's one sitting up there. You tried it back on the spot like a smart motherfucker. Surprised you did that.
Dude, I always do that. Everything.
I used to not, and then I learned before I knew that you could buy the connectors for so cheap. She sat in the garage one winter with, I had a pile of harnesses and she cut every connector off and sorted them.
That's what's up.
Because I was like, I can get the terminals new for cheap. But I thought the connectors would be like 10, 20 bucks a piece. I'd find $1,500 to get them for 40 cents, so like $600 in that box.
But at least you know all the the numbers, the order
That was the
numbers,
hardest
POs.
part. It was just finding who made the connector, the part number for it, who stocks it. which ones are in stock, which ones I gotta buy ahead of time, which ones I can buy 10 of, which ones I gotta buy 2,000 of, and then make sure I order 3 months in advance, because there's some that if I want them, I gotta order them 3 months before I need them and buy 2,000.
Yeah.
There's other ones where there's, not right now, but usually there's 10 vendors that'll have it, so I can just pick and choose who I want to order it from and get 10 of them.
Because even look at this, look how fucking much of a gap that is.
Yeah, once you get, that's sitting on your intercooler and shit, so. The problem is half this stuff isn't perfect fit, and then you got, I'm sure this is not straight as shit. These aren't going to adjust it right. There's 17 things that are out of adjustment there.
Yeah, and this is actually not.
Right,
so
yeah, that's
right.
what I was saying.
And that broken tab that pushes up onto the back of this rear support. I just hope that shit meshes up. I have a bunch of
Don't you have a gas? Isn't there a gasket that goes around this too? Does it go around the bottom?
Nah.
No?
Original factory lenses fit perfect with the seals, but I
you
think
got
the
the
aftermarket, I think.
That makes sense.
And
Yeah,
this-
like I said, you got aftermarket this, and this, and none of it's gonna fit right. It's like it fits. This fits close.
That's why the auto buyer is gonna do everything. Alright, my friends, we are all loaded up. We are on the trailer, secured down, and we are about to head out and go back to Massachusetts. But there she is. And there's Jacob. Alright guys, we're gonna jump in the truck and we're gonna hit the road and give you updates along the way. But I really appreciate everybody that has been following me, every video that I have been putting out, and if you're not subscribed yet, definitely subscribe and comment down below. Just do it. It helps my analytics, it helps my channel. And subscribe. Everything else. Bye, Jacob. Thank you.